Hello guys, welcome to Native Kitchen. Today we're making another native meal all the way from Akwa Ibom State. It's popularly known as Afang soup. These are the ingredients we'll be using for this cooking. Here is my salt, my seasoning cubes, my fresh pepper. I'll be using this onion to steam my meat. Here's my stock fish. You can actually use the head, but I don't really like the head. Here is my crayfish. I have roasted fish too. I have dry fish. Pomo is here. This is my palm oil. This is my periwinkle. My beef is here. And I'll be using goat meat. This is my water leaf. I'll slice this. And this is already processed afang leaf. All right, we'll go into the cooking proper. All right, guys, let's cook. We're going to steam our meat, goat meat, and every other thing, every protein we're using for this cooking. So I'll go in with my goat meat. I'll go in with my beef. I'll go in with my stock fish and my dry fish. I'll keep the pomo and put it later so it doesn't get so soft. Then also the roasted fish, I'll do that later. Then I'll go in with my pepper. My pepper, my salt, I'll go with my seasoning cube, slice in my onion. All right, dice that in. This is very optional, but I just have to because I want my meat to taste so nice. Then I'll stir. I'm stirring this. I'll marinate this for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and do the steaming. All right, guys. Let's keep this for 10 minutes. We'll cover our pots. See you later. All right, guys. We've marinated this for 10 minutes. So we're going to steam this again for 10 minutes. Okay? So I'll put on my gas and steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll come back and check up on our meat. All right, guys, we've steamed this and the water is completely dried up. You can see. So we'll add water to this pot. I'm going with my water. Okay. Then I'm going with my pomo. I'm going with my roasted fish. I'm going with my periwinkles. Go with my crayfish. Little of it. I'll leave some behind. And with my spatula, I'll just do this. Okay. I'll allow this to boil for 5 minutes. Then we'll check back. Cover hot. All right, guys. 5 minutes later, we're back to check on our pots. This is what it looks like. Ooh. This particular soup, it's normally called better soup, na money killer. You see? You don't have a whole lot of protein in it, so it doesn't go well. Okay. Tested that, it's okay. My pepper is okay. I'll go with my oil. Okay. I will stir this. Ooh. Then I'll allow for just 2 minutes so that this will cook. 2 minutes. All right, it's 2 minutes already. Okay. Then I'll go in with my water leaf. Okay, with my water leaf. Then I'll stir this. I won't allow this to cook for so long. Just 1 minute is okay. Remember what I said about vegetables. Whenever you're putting your vegetables in your pot, don't overcook them. Okay? Don't overcook your vegetables. I'll put in my fish again. The afang beef will be the last thing I'll be adding to this pot. 1 minute after I'm back. Okay, 1 minute already. Then I'm going with my afang leaf. Make sure you spread it round. Round the pot. Then you do this. Now add oil to this again. But it's not really giving me what I want. Add this oil again. Okay. Oof. Wow. Have you seen the consistency? Seen this? It's not watery and just normal. And it's looking so fresh. Fresh looking pot of afang soup. Ooh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And it's tasting so nice. So nice. So good. Okay. All right, guys. Our pot of soup is ready. I don't know why you won't just check in, slide in into this kitchen and watch how we do it. This is so amazing. And it's tasting so nice. One more thing, I'll repeat over and over again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share these videos all around. All the videos from Native Kitchen. Share it all around and learn how to make these native meals. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and let's go into eating, the best part ever. Okay, guys, it's eating time. Ooh, I don't even know where to start from. Eh? The view is just so amazing. Look at the meat, look at the obstacles, everything. Ah, God, I don't even know where to start from. Well, it's time to test the meal. Ooh, okay, let's do this. Okay, kind of confused where to start from. All right. Hmm, so good. This tasting so nice. Please, I beg you, come to this channel. Just watch the processes involved and make this delicious soup. Delicious afang soup. Please. Okay? So you eat good meals. But don't forget to subscribe. Click on the share button, like, and comment to this channel. All right? Thank you for having us. Bye.